let's now take a look at the 5 worst hit states in the country and how they're performing individually when it comes to the 24-hour cycle, which is used to determine the rise in cases. Maharashtra is reporting 56,647 cases last 24 hours. Karnataka 37,733 cases. Kerala 31,959 cases. Andhra Pradesh 23,920 cases. Uttar Pradesh 30,000 cases, 30,857 cases in the last 24 hours. There has been a bit of a delay in starting this immunization drive, at least the third phase of the vaccination drive in Delhi for those above the age of 18, but it is now starting. It's starting today. This after the government got a quota of 4.5 lakh vaccine doses on Saturday. Well, because of the limited supply of vaccine doses, only those with appointment will be administered the vaccine. Remember, this is the decision that the central government had taken. So those above the age of 18 cannot then just go into a center and ask for a shot. There are no walk-in vaccinations for this age category between the age of 18 and 45. You have to register in the CoWIN software or in the Arogya Setu app. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has asked people to not rush to vaccination centers if they do not have an appointment. It doesn't make any sense then. This comes as Delhi has reported more than 20,000 cases in the last 24 hours. With this, the active cases in Delhi has almost touching 93,000 right now. 407 people have died in the last 24 hours. Delhi has reported more than 400 daily deaths for the second consecutive day. The positivity rate, though, has slowed down. It is in the last 2 weeks or so, it has reported the lowest positivity rate of about 30%.
गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसे 18+ के लिए ओपन किया वैक्सीनेशन, तो हमने इसको रजिस्टर किया एंड यहाँ पर इसको लगाने के लिए आए हैं, सो दैट की जो हेल्थ है वो सही रहे और तब तक कोविड नहीं हुआ है, कोविड हो भी तो वो जान बची रहे।
आज दिल्ली सरकार के 76 स्कूलों में ये वैक्सीनेशन का प्रोग्राम शुरू हुआ है और यहाँ पर जिस तरह से आप देख रहे हैं कि इसी स्कूल में पैरेलल 5 सेंटर्स बनाए गए हैं। तो इस तरह से पूरी दिल्ली में इस वक्त आज 301 सेंटर्स पर वैक्सीनेशन का प्रोग्राम शुरू हुआ है 18 साल से 45 साल के बीच के लोगों के लिए। और क्योंकि आज पहला दिन है, हम इसको और आगे बढ़ाएंगे। हमारा टारगेट है कि हर स्कूल में इस तरह से कम 10 सेंटर्स हों और अभी इसको धीरे धीरे करके हम 300 स्कूलों तक लेके जाएंगे।
Vaccination for all above 18 years of age drive begins today in Delhi. We're at the Navyug School in Pandara Road, where you can see the vaccination process is yet to begin. People have come in here. They're waiting for the vaccination process to begin. The setup is currently being done by the staff here. These civil defense volunteers, police personnel, medical staff all have reached here, and the preparations are underway to set up the entire vaccination drive. You can see a lot of people have already come here. They're waiting for their vaccine, but some confusion still prevails as some people came here this morning hoping to get registered on the spot. Remember, the government has very clearly said that on-spot registrations are not currently available. If you do not have a booking for your vaccination on the app, that is the CoWIN app or the Arogya Setu app, please do not come and throng the vaccination centers. But here you can see all these people have come here. They've gotten their bookings. They're here waiting for the vaccination drive to begin. The government at the moment has around 4.5 lakh vaccines available, which are being given to people across 77 government schools, which have been turned into vaccination centers for this particular drive. There are at least 3 vaccination sites in each vaccination center, and here at the Navyug School you can see the preparations are currently being done by the healthcare and police staff. In New Delhi with cameraman Nasir, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.